This kind of VOX-style documentary video is going super viral right now. When I searched on YouTube myself, I found that most videos talk about paid tools and give 20 to 25 prompts, which makes it really difficult to create a VOX-style video. That's why I'm bringing you a full course on making VOX-style videos, where you'll be able to create one using just 1 to 2 simple prompts, and that too using 100% free AI tools. If you skip any part of this video, you won't be able to make a proper VOX-style video. So let's get started from the beginning. You'll find the link to the master prompt in the description. Copy it from there, then go to Claude AI, paste the prompt you copied and click generate. Claude AI will generate 50 viral topics for you. You can see how good these topics are that Claude AI has generated. Now pick whichever topic you like, just like I'm doing here, and copy it. Also note down the topic number from the list and paste the topic into your notes. Then copy the second prompt from the start to end. Now go to Claude AI, paste the second prompt and click generate. Claude AI will ask you how many minutes long you want the video to be. You can set the video length to whatever duration you want, but I'll show you using a 1 minute video length. So type 1 minute in the field and click generate. And it will generate a 1 minute script for your video. Copy that script and paste it into your notes. Then go back to Claude and search again. Type generate image and video prompt and click generate. Within 3 to 4 minutes, it will generate your image and video prompts. So now Claude AI has generated our image and video prompts. Now copy the image prompt from start to end and paste it into Flow AI. Click on Nano Banana to select image and choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. Then click generate. Your image will be ready in 3 to 4 minutes. Once the image is generated, to create the video, press and hold on the image and click add to prompt. Then click on Nano Banana again, but this time select video, choose the 16:9 ratio, set the video length to 8 seconds, select ×1 and click generate. Your video will be ready shortly after, so our video has been generated. Now click download and download it in 1080p. Then go back to Claude AI and copy the second prompt, paste it into Flow and click generate, and your image will be ready shortly. Once the image is ready, press and hold on it and click add to prompt. Paste the second prompt and click generate. Your video will be ready in 2 to 3 minutes. So the video has been generated. And you can click download to save it as well. After that, go back to the master prompt and copy the fourth prompt from a start to end. Go to Flow AI, pick 2 images that you like the most and add them to the prompt. Paste the prompt and click generate. This will create a video by combining the 2 images. So our video is ready. And you can click to download it. Now take the script that Claude generated earlier, the one you saved in your notes, and copy it. Go to Google and search for Noise AI. Then click on the second link. You'll see an interface where you can generate completely realistic AI voices for free. There are plenty of AI voices available for you to choose from. I'll go ahead and select one voice here, paste your script, then tap speak it, and the AI voice will start generating. Once it's ready,
this country should have collapsed decades ago. It has no real economy, no internet, and barely enough.
Click download to save the AI voice. Now, to edit the video, you can use any editing app of your choice. I'll be using the InShot app. Open the InShot app, select all your videos and add them. Now add the transition effect. Between all the clips, just like I'm adding it between each video here. So we've added all the effects to the video and our editing is complete. Now click export and export it in 1080p and the video will be saved to your gallery. Let's take a look at the final result of the video now.
This country should have collapsed decades ago. It has no real economy, no internet, and barely enough food. So why is it still here? Introduction. North Korea has survived famine, isolation, and global pressure for over 70 years. While other communist regimes fell, this one didn't. The reason isn't luck, it's strategy. Main story. North Korea survives because it makes itself impossible to ignore. Nuclear weapons by protection, no sanctions can touch. China, fearing chaos on its border, keeps the regime alive with trade and oil. Meanwhile, propaganda and total control keep 26 million people.
That's all for today's video. And if you haven't seen how to make a viral miniature construction video yet, you can click here to watch it. Thanks for watching.